Today, I'm going to walk you through how to log into CapCut on your PC. Whether you're just getting started with video editing or switching from mobile, this quick tutorial will make sure you're set up and ready to use all of CapCut's awesome features in no time. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently logging in and accessing your dashboard where your creative projects await. So let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is head over to the CapCut login page. You can do this by typing CapCut.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're on a desktop or laptop. The steps I'm showing you today are specifically for the PC experience. Once the page loads, you'll probably see a clean, modern login screen. If it looks a little different than what you see here, don't stress. Sites are updated regularly, but the basic steps stay the same. On the login page, you'll notice a few different ways to sign in. To keep things easy and secure, let's use the Continue with Google option. Just click on that button. This is a great pick if you already have a Google account because it lets you skip remembering another password and it's backed by Google's security. Clicking Continue with Google should trigger a pop-up window or maybe redirect you to a Google sign-in page. If pop-ups are blocked, you may need to adjust your browser settings, but that's pretty rare these days. Now, if you've registered on CapCut using your Google account, you'll see a list of accounts you're signed into on that computer. Take a moment here. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one you used to set up your CapCut profile. For example, I always keep my personal and work emails separate, and I know a lot of folks do the same. If you pick the wrong account, CapCut might prompt you to set up a new profile, which can get a bit confusing. So double-check before you click. Just select your account and give CapCut permission to connect if it asks. A quick tip: sometimes the site will ask for an extra confirmation, like "Are you sure you want to continue?" or it'll want you to verify your identity for security. This is all normal, especially if you haven't logged in from this device before. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments. CapCut is just making sure it's really you. Once you've selected your Google account and gone through any quick permissions, CapCut will automatically log you in and bring you right to your dashboard. The dashboard is your command center. It's where all your saved projects, templates, and editing tools live. From here, you can start a new project, edit your existing videos, or explore everything CapCut has to offer on the desktop. If everything went smoothly, you should now be looking at your dashboard, ready to get creative. But if you hit a snag like not seeing your Google account or having trouble logging in, double-check that you're using the right email address and that you're connected to the internet. Sometimes a simple refresh of the page solves stubborn issues too. And that's it, you're now logged into CapCut on your PC. I hope this walkthrough made the process crystal clear. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button below, and if you have any questions or you had a different experience, drop me a comment. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on easy guides and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.